Immerse yourself in the essence of Brazilian refreshment with this extended caldo de cana recipe, a beloved sugarcane juice that epitomizes the country's tropical bounty. Caldo de cana, also known as garapa, is not just a drink. It's a Brazilian tradition savored for its natural sweetness and revitalizing properties. Ingredients: fresh sugarcane stalks 2 to 3 stalks for about 1 liter of juice, ice cubes. Lime wedges optional for added flavor. Ginger slice optional for a spicy twist. Instructions: 1. Prepare the sugarcane. Start by peeling the outer bark of the sugarcane stalks. Rinse the stalks thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or impurities. 2. Extract the juice. Cut the sugarcane into smaller sections that fit into your manual or electric sugarcane juicer. Toss the sugarcane pieces through the juicer, collecting the juice in a large container. If you don't have a sugarcane juicer, you can chop the sugarcane into small pieces and blend them with a little water. Then strain the mixture to extract the juice. 3. Flavor the juice. For a zesty flavor, squeeze a few lime wedges into the juice. If you prefer a hint of spice, add a slice of ginger before juicing the sugarcane. These additions are optional, but can enhance the refreshing taste of caldo de cana. 4. Serve chilled. Pour the fresh sugarcane juice over a glass filled with ice cubes. Stir well and serve immediately to enjoy its maximum freshness and sweetness. 5. Garnish. Garnish with a lime wedge on the rim of the glass for a decorative touch and an extra burst of flavor. Serving suggestions: caldo de cana is best enjoyed on a hot day as a cooling and energizing drink. It's a perfect accompaniment to Brazilian street food or as a standalone refreshment. Cultural note: in Brazil, caldo de cana is often enjoyed at local markets and beachfront stalls where it's freshly pressed and served. It's not only a treat for the taste buds, but also an experience that connects you with the vibrant street food culture of Brazil. Relish the extended Brazilian caldo de cana recipe, a simple yet exquisite drink that offers a taste of Brazil's natural sweetness. Whether you're seeking a quick energy boost or a moment of tropical bliss, caldo de cana is a delightful choice that brings the spirit of Brazil to your glass.